No? Okay. Are we on? Yep, we are. Hi guys! Oh my god. It's so hot today. Right, I tried to join a Zoom meeting for Zumba, but it didn't work. There was no sound. No one can hear me. I couldn't see anybody who was in the Zoom. So yeah, that went well. But yeah, 2 parcels came today. Excited much? Anybody who likes the gladiators? Oh my god, they are the favourites. Mine was Trojan, Hunter, Jet and Lightning. And Trojan is now a writer. This book I got on Waterstones for, I think it was £8-9, and his name is Mark Griffin. Go check him out. He's got an interview on YouTube with a guy sitting down talking about how he has a passion for writing and not being a gladiator anymore. He wants to like cut down and get more thin instead of more. But yeah, I'm gonna read this. Mark, I should have done that, but oh well. I love you, Mark. So yeah, this is it's a thriller book, and it's called When Darkness Calls, and this was published in 2018. 2019 book is coming on its way, and I will show you when that comes. So yeah, can't wait to read this. So the next thing that came was the mystery Glossybox. Mystery Glossybox. So I'm gonna start opening this now, and I'll show you what's in it. Okay, with the mystery box you don't get a leaflet. It comes in the pink packaging. Okay, quite a few little things. Oh, where to start? Okay, I'll start with this. This one is called Mina the Shadow Paint. This is a cream eyeshadow, and this is in the colour blue. Oh god, it comes. Wow. Okay. Tiny bit on my hand, but wow. It's like a watercolour. Okay. I didn't put this on my eyes because it might stain my eyes. But that is how it looks. Antibacterial, or I don't know, but it gets it off. Yeah, so little eyeshadow thing. The next thing I pull out is this little Inuit mermaid, like a contour brush type of thing. Like contour your eyes, nose, ass, hind, body, whatever. Oh, contour my neck. But yeah, it's a cute one. Cute little shell. It's got a little shell. It's so cute. The next thing I got, I'll put this back in its bag. Gold eye brightening and firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. And this is from Vitamasks. So yeah, I think I'm definitely going to use this tonight. I need to de-stress, I would say de-calm, but calm, be more calmer, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, cooling iPads. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try them tonight. Definitely. The next little thing I've got there. What is it got there? Mitchell and Peach Flora No. 1 Bath Oil. Huile de Bain. Directions: add to water. Caution: avoid damaged skin. Blended in England with pure essential oils from the Mitchell estate. What the hell's that? It's like a bath oil. Okay. There. Little bath oil. Can't really smell. So it's Flora. Yeah. So you just put it in your bath. I'll try that Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, it's a tiny little bath oil. Strange. And the last thing that I've got here. Oh wow, I've got to show you. I have Steve Laurant everywhere. Okay, these are the older. Get me in there. So, got one there. Okay, which one was the? Oh yeah. Okay, Steve Laurant. I got all these out of Glossyboxes. The first one that I had was this Nude Pop lip gloss. Okay, this is the first one that I got in a Glossybox. This is a Nude Pop lip gloss. This is this colour, which I like. That is the colour of the first one. Okay, a little bit on. Oh wow, brighten my face up a little bit, even though it's hot and I do tan quite easily. So that was the first one that I got. The second Steve Laurant thing I got from a Glossybox is this little eyeshadow in rose gold. Little one like that. It's really cute. It's cute. Very cute. If I can take... Oh shit! I've got it everywhere. It's really small. And it's a little pot. On my finger. So yeah, this is Steve Laurant Loose Eyeshadow. And the second thing. That is nice. And this one, what I've just got in this mystery Glossybox, is another lip gloss. And it's shit. It's a different shade. And this one is the new one. It's a lip gloss again. And just noticed the writing. Cherry. There's fitting in it because my name's Cheryl and this is Cherry. Don't know if you can see that, but it's called Cherry. Wow, that's cool. So yeah. this mystery box was £8 and Steve Laurant is a freaking expensive thing. Product. Oh, this is so cute. It says cherry on the bottom. Nice little lid. And that is the colour. So yeah, that is a nice colour. Very, very nice. And just go rub your finger in for a while to get the product warmed up, and you'll see it's like a red colour, like a red. Yeah, cherry is red. Duh. Yeah, I think I might put that on now. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's quite nice. Oh wow. Oh, I do like that. It's like a cherry pinky. That's quite cool. That is cool. I like that. I do like that. Doesn't really smell of cherry, but very nice colour. Glossybox. So yeah, that's everything that I have in this Glossybox mystery box. I will link the link. I always say that. Link the website below. And yeah, go and get one while you can. £8. And it's worth it. Very worth it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, be safe, and love yourself. Bye.